Welcome back, guys. This video I'm going to show you how to download story from Facebook profile. So first thing first, copy profile link, then go to your browser like Safari, and in a search bar typing breakdown.com / then Facebook video downloader and click go. After that, scroll down a little bit until you find enter your URL. So click on that, then click paste and download right here. So it's completed successfully. So scroll down and you will see first story and second story, and you can download by clicking that button right here. So thank you for watching, hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.